Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then again 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now multiply 6 is equal to 36. Okay, but this answer is not correct. So what's the correct answer? Let's solve this problem correctly by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right, okay? And also addition and subtraction have same priority. And also we have to solve it from left to right, okay? Now let's solve according to PEMDAS. So for first priority is parenthesis. Therefore, first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? Is equal to 8 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So here is a subtraction and here is a multiplication. So second priority is multiplication. Okay. So 8 minus 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Now 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the correct answer is minus 4. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Okay. And do not forget to comment your answer.